Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, you can see take your fitness test website in Python that I have built. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys see, here's a short but the good fitness app. You can take your fitness test like and fat loss or muscle gain. Analyze my fitness. See, I get the score as well. Again, if like 40, 180 centimeter, weight 80, high activity and fat loss, then analyze my fitness. See guys, like 60, height 150, weight 120. See, all the thing changes. See guys, it works like brilliantly. And friends, if you will have any kind of query session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your work. And guys, after it, I will come with more things as well. And again, I must say, please support me and please subscribe me my channel as well. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.